here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing an arms and back workout. I have 2 sets of dumbbells for this workout. It's going to be 8 total exercises. We're doing 8 reps of each exercise. This is built to be 3 to 4 times, so I'll do the first set with you and then you can follow along to repeat to get the full workout. So we're going to first start with bicep curls. We'll go all the way up and all the way down. 8 times. From here, we're going to go into shoulder press, so keep your legs shoulder width distance, a slight bend. Okay, for this I'm going to turn to the side to show you. We're going to do tricep kickback, so you're going to have a slight bend in your legs and have your elbows up. You kick back, only using those triceps. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to use that same position bent over. We're going to do reverse flies. You want to really squeeze your shoulder blades together. Okay, so then we're going to be doing a lateral raise. So that's just going to be in front, just to shoulder height. Make sure you're breathing during all these exercises. Don't want to hold your breath. Okay, then we're going to come on the floor for these last 2. We're going to do chest fly. So you're going to lay down. Right. And last but not least, we'll be doing 8 push-ups. So if you feel comfortable doing them full, go ahead. I'm going to do them modified. Okay. I'm going to grab my water in between sets. You should always have water with you to stay hydrated, especially while working out. So, once again, you can follow this along 3 to 4 more times in total, so you can do a full workout. But that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining us.